Hi, Maria here for Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve natural, fuller, sculpted brows using the Beauty Junkies Tinted Brow Gel. Beauty Junkies offers 3 tinted shades to tint, fill, and set your brow hairs in place, as well as a clear brow gel for an even more natural look. All 4 work great on their own or as a finishing top coat with any pomades, powders, or brow pencils. To start, you may need to remove any excess product from the spoolie, especially from the tip. To apply, start at the tail of the brow, working backwards, applying the color against the grain of your brow hairs, lightly sweeping the spoolie towards the front of the brow. I like to also sweep my brow hairs upwards to really deposit and distribute product evenly and achieve a more fuller effect. Next, start to sweep the brush from the front of the brow back to the tail, brushing the hairs back into place. If more color is desired, quickly repeat the steps before the brow gel dries. Using the tip of the spoolie, you can get more precise and neatly deposit a touch more product to any sparse spaces in your brows that need it. And that's how you use the Beauty Junkies Tinted Brow Gel. Now if you happen to get any product on your skin, don't wipe it right away as it may smudge and mess up your foundation. Allow it to dry, then take a clean spoolie like the one on the Beauty Junkies Pro Brow Brush and carefully brush over the product, and it should easily flake off your skin, leaving you with a nice clean look for your finished brows. And you're all set! I hope you found this helpful and have a beautiful day.